Installing window tints and not sure where to begin? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will cover the steps needed to have a successful window tint installation on your truck's back glass. Before you tint your vehicle, it's important that you know your state's tint laws. Visit www.iwfa.com to find out more. You may also contact Gila Films customer service at 1-800-528-4481 to speak with a representative who can assist you with your state's tint laws and answer any questions you have about tint installation. The Gila Window Tint Application Kit can help you complete the job with a professional look. In addition to the application kit, you will need a plastic scrubby for cleaning glass and transparent tape. Have questions? If you do at any time during your installation, refer to GilaFilms.com. There's even a recipe for making more application solution if you run out mid-project. Always keep these precautions in mind. Do not apply any automotive film to residential windows. Do not apply any film to frosted, etched, leaded, cracked, holed, deeply scratched, flawed, or otherwise defective glass. Do not apply film to plexiglass, plastic, or acrylic windows. Do not apply to front windshield. Many new automotive vehicles have plastic windows in certain locations. Do not apply window film to these special windows. Now you're ready to get started. Before you begin installation, the windows to be tinted must be cleaned thoroughly both inside and out. The cleaner your glass is, the better the installed tint will look. Application solution can be used in place of glass cleaner. Do not use ammonia, vinegar, or household glass cleaners to clean glass immediately prior to tint application. Spray application solution to both the inside and outside of the back glass and use a scrubby to remove any dirt or residue. Then thoroughly wipe down both sides and window gaskets. Once all the dirt has been removed, spray both sides of the window with application solution again and clean thoroughly, this time using the squeegee and low-lint cloth to dry the glass surface. Now identify which side of the tint is the liner side. The liner is rolled to the outside during manufacturing, but to double-check, rub the tint against itself. The sticky side is the tint, the slick side is the liner. Wet the outside of the window with application solution and roll the tint onto the exterior of the glass, keeping in mind that the tint will be applied to the interior side of the glass. Ensure that the liner side of the tint is facing to the outside as it's unrolled. Using the squeegee, gently secure the tint to temporarily hold it in place on the outside of the window for cutting off the excess tint. Using a utility knife, accurately trim the excess tint around the truck back glass. Transfer the tint from the outside to the inside of the back glass. Place one piece of tape on each side of the same corner of the trimmed tint. Press the tape together and quickly peel apart to separate a small portion of the liner from the tint. Generously spray the inside of the window once again. You are now ready to apply the tint to the inside of the glass. Next, remove the liner and apply the tint while spraying the newly exposed adhesive with application solution. Once in its place, spray the tint with the application solution. Next, squeegee the top edge of the tint to the glass, working your way down the window to the horizontal midpoint firmly until all the liquid is pushed out from under the tint. Lastly, wipe the window with a low-lint cloth. Now, step back and admire. Have any questions? Call Gila Films customer service at 1-800-528-4481 for assistance.